How to take a screenshot of your video in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, drag your cursor where you want to take screenshot. Click on three lines at the top right above your video. Then you'll find two options pop up. Simply click on Export Still Frames. Then press on Export at the bottom after you have selected the resolution, format, and export file. Then press on Export. After you have exported, you will also find it imported on your project. Then select the picture and remove the video. Then press on Text at the top, add the text. Then type in what you want on your text. This picture can be used as thumbnail. After that, drag the text fully on the picture and then press on three lines again at the top. After that, again press on second option, export. Then click on export and you're good to go. This is how to take screenshot of your video in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.